Amazing video.
Welcome back to the Roger Beecroft channel. Got the dirt bikes all packed up. We're getting ready to head out to MX Motoland south of Casa Grande in Arizona. I'm real excited. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the notification, and check out this footage. Here we go. Yeah! Really good. Halston and I. Yeah. Tabletop. Nice one. Some more footage. Yeah. Remember to clean your bikes. You can see we got them all cleaned up. Put them away all nice and clean here, you know. Look at that, pretty good job there. Halston did a really good job fixing any loose nuts and bolts and anything, any problems. That way when you're ready to go out, you don't have to mess around with trying to fix the bike, because there's nothing worse than Friday afternoon or Saturday morning, you want to go out riding and you realize that you got a broken lever or some missing bolts or nuts or a screw loose or something like that. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification button, and you can have an awesome day.
Amazing video.